Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'll show you how to create folder on AOL mail. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, make sure you have already downloaded AOL mail and sign in with your account. Now hold on a username and tap on select message. Now select username for those you wanna make folder. Once you're done selecting username, now tap on move icon on bottom. Now tap on create new folder as shown here. Once you tap on it, it will show you this kind of menu here. Type in your folder name. Now tap on save button. Now you have successfully created your folder. Now go to inbox icon and here scroll down. So here you will be seeing your folder name. So this is how you can create folder on AOL mail. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.